Did you know that the benefits of cinnamon go far beyond its delightful flavor in your meals? What if I told you that not all cinnamon is the same? There are two primary types of cinnamon on the market, Ceylon and Cassia, and understanding the difference between them is crucial for your health. What health benefits does this ancient spice offer, and what potential drawbacks should you be aware of? In this video, we'll explore the 7 scientifically proven benefits of cinnamon. You'll discover the noticeable improvements in your health with regular use and learn how to maximize its medicinal properties. Make sure to watch till the end to fully benefit from cinnamon's powerful effects. But before we dive deeper, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Originating from Sri Lanka, obtained from the bark of the Cinnamomum genus trees, cinnamon is one of the oldest spices consumed by humans for thousands of years, mainly for its medicinal properties. In ancient Egypt, 2,000 years before Christ, cinnamon was imported and highly valued. Just to give you an idea, cinnamon was once more valuable than gold. There, they used it in food, drinks, and even in mummification. In addition, the Romans, Greeks, Chinese, Indians, and Persians also used it, often as a remedy. In modern days, cinnamon has become a beloved and widely used ingredient in cooking, adding flavor to dishes, drinks like cappuccino, hot chocolate, and even coffee as a substitute for sugar. It is also a popular addition to breakfast foods such as oatmeal and baked goods like cakes and pies. The versatility of cinnamon has made it a staple in many kitchens around the world. What are the main types of cinnamon? There are 2 main types of cinnamon. True cinnamon, also known as Ceylon cinnamon, is extracted from the Cinnamomum zeylanicum plant and originates from Sri Lanka, India, Madagascar, and the Caribbean. False cinnamon, or cassia, is derived from the Cinnamomum aromaticum plant and comes from China, Vietnam, and Japan. It is also referred to as Chinese cinnamon. True cinnamon is obtained from the inner bark of the tree's trunk, which rolls up in several layers. It has a light color and produces a fine powder when ground. The aroma and flavor of true cinnamon are intense, and it can be used in recipes without any concerns. On the other hand, false cinnamon has a slightly darker color than true cinnamon. One way to differentiate between the two is by observing the cinnamon sticks. If the stick only rolls in one layer, it is likely false cinnamon. It is important to note that consuming cassia cinnamon in excess can be toxic. When purchasing cinnamon, be aware of these differences to ensure you are using the desired type in your recipes and to avoid potential health risks associated with excessive consumption of false cinnamon. The primary distinction between true cinnamon and false cinnamon lies in their coumarin content, a substance with anticoagulant properties. In the case of Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, the coumarin content is low, 0.004% or 250 times less. In cassia, it is higher, 1%. This can be a risk, as excessive intake of coumarin, more than 5 grams in powder, for long periods can be toxic and dangerous for people who take aspirin regularly, irritate the stomach, aggravate ulcers, and increase heart rate. Without further ado, discover now what are the 7 benefits of cinnamon for health proven by science. Get ready because benefit number 6 will surprise you. 1. May reduce the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon may help reduce the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to cinnamaldehyde, can inhibit substances that contribute to inflammation, such as alpha and inflammatory cytokines. Inflammation plays a significant role in the progression and rupture of fatty plaques, which can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Moreover, cinnamon is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, which can damage the endothelium, the protective lining of our arteries. By reducing oxidative stress, cinnamon helps maintain the integrity of the cardiovascular system. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. However, it is essential to note that cinnamon should not be considered a replacement for prescribed cholesterol medication. While it can provide some benefits, it should be used as a complementary approach rather than a sole treatment. 2. May reduce the risk of diabetes. Some studies indicate that cinnamaldehyde, which is one of the main active compounds in cinnamon, may have anti-diabetic effects, which can help and be beneficial for people with prediabetes and diabetes. Cinnamon has been shown to improve the body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. When cinnamon improves your body's sensitivity to insulin, it can help you control your blood sugar more effectively. And if you are pre-diabetic, it can keep you further away from becoming diabetic. Cinnamon can also help reduce sugar consumption. Although cinnamon itself does not have a sweet taste, it can amplify the sweetness of other ingredients, allowing you to use less sugar in your food. Cinnamon improves your insulin sensitivity, makes you consume less sugar, and besides that, cinnamon can reduce the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. It appears to interfere with certain digestive enzymes, preventing the spike in glucose and insulin levels that typically occurs after consuming carbohydrates. 3. May improve digestion. If you suffer from digestive issues like bloating, stomach pains, or constipation, cinnamon may help. Its carminative properties reduce gas formation, while its prebiotic effects support gut health. Cinnamon also has antispasmodic properties that can ease IBS symptoms and improve intestinal motility. Consider adding cinnamon to your diet or drinking cinnamon tea to promote better digestion and alleviate discomfort. Cinnamon's natural properties make it a valuable tool for improving overall digestive health. 4. May strengthen immunity. Cinnamon can be a great ally in strengthening your immune system. It contains essential nutrients like vitamin K, manganese, zinc, and magnesium, which are crucial for proper immune function. Additionally, cinnamon possesses antimicrobial properties, largely due to cinnamaldehyde, which can combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Cinnamon may also have an immunomodulatory effect, helping to regulate your immune response. In traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, cinnamon is often used to alleviate flu and cold symptoms, especially when combined with ginger tea. 5. May reduce inflammation. Cinnamon's rich content of antioxidants and polyphenols contributes to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can inhibit enzymes like cyclooxygenase, which is responsible for converting arachidonic acid into pro-inflammatory molecules. This mechanism of action is similar to that of some anti-inflammatory drugs. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that women with rheumatoid arthritis who consumed just over 1 teaspoon of cinnamon daily for 8 weeks experienced a reduction in C-reactive protein levels, a marker of inflammation. They also reported decreased symptoms, such as joint swelling and pain. If you suffer from chronic pain conditions like back pain or joint pain, incorporating cinnamon into your diet may provide some relief. Instead of relying solely on anti-inflammatory medications, which can have side effects like swelling, high blood pressure, and kidney complications, consider adding cinnamon to your fruit, milk, yogurt, or green juice. 6. May reduce neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamon may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing brain inflammation and preventing the accumulation of harmful proteins. Studies have shown that cinnamon's essential oils and extracts can shield neurons from damage caused by oxidative stress and influence processes associated with these diseases. While more human research is needed, cinnamon is a safe and affordable option that deserves attention for its potential neuroprotective properties. Additionally, cinnamon may improve short-term memory in people with elevated blood sugar levels. Evidence from animal studies has demonstrated that the administration of powdered cinnamon can protect against the death of dopaminergic cells, dysregulation of striatal neurotransmitters, and motor deficits. Research published in Nutrition Research found that people with elevated blood sugar levels who consumed cinnamon had better short-term memory than those who did not consume it. 7. May help with weight loss. Some studies indicate that cinnamon has a thermogenic effect, meaning it can increase energy expenditure and burn more calories even at rest. It stabilizes blood sugar levels and increases insulin sensitivity, which can help reduce appetite, and combined with the fiber that cinnamon is rich in, it can make you eat less. That's what a recent study showed. Researchers found that when mice were fed high-fat foods along with cinnamon, they gained less weight and less abdominal fat than those that did not receive cinnamon. However, it has not been done in humans yet, so it's not possible to be sure that it will have the same effect. Who should avoid cinnamon? While cinnamon offers various health benefits, it's essential to consume it responsibly. The ideal is not to consume more than 1 teaspoon of cinnamon per day. What is known, based on a study done in rats, is that cinnamon essential oil has abortive effects. However, the effect on humans may not necessarily be the same as what was noted in rats. Some Ayurvedic doctors recommend that pregnant women do not consume cinnamon tea, as it can be abortive in excess. There is also no confirmation that cinnamon tea is harmful to people with gastritis or other stomach problems, for example. It is worth noting that people who have type 1 diabetes and who drink cinnamon tea daily should be cautious, not drinking exaggerated amounts. The reason is that it can raise the level of hypoglycemia when blood sugar levels get very low, in the case of cassia cinnamon. People who take anticoagulants are advised not to ingest coumarin, a substance that is found in cinnamon. Thus, it is not recommended that they drink the tea. If they do drink it, they should use only a pinch of cinnamon. Hypertensive individuals should consult their doctor to find out if the tea brings a risk to their health or not. There are reports of people who, when exaggerating their consumption of cinnamon, especially in capsule form, developed liver problems. Some people are allergic to cinnamon, while others can develop mouth ulcers, especially if they chew the cinnamon, particularly in the case of Chinese cinnamon. How to prepare cinnamon tea. Preparing cinnamon tea is a simple process. If you have Ceylon cinnamon sticks at home, you can easily make it. The basic recipe requires 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks for every 2 cups of water. Place the water and cinnamon in a pot and let it boil for 5 minutes. You can enjoy the tea hot or warm, which can further aid digestion, or add ice cubes for a refreshing cold drink. It's best to avoid sweetening the tea, but if necessary, opt for a small amount of honey, as sugar can negate the benefits of cinnamon. Consume cinnamon tea in moderation and enjoy all the health benefits it offers. We hope you found this video informative. If you enjoyed it, please like and share so that more people can access this valuable information. We'd love to hear from you. Do you enjoy cinnamon? Do you regularly drink cinnamon tea or use it occasionally in your recipes? What's your favorite way to incorporate cinnamon into your diet? Leave your comments below. To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that you'll surely find interesting. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.